Hello, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best wearable blankets sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Woolino 4-Season Ultimate Baby Sleep Bag Sack. This Woolino sleep sack is our top choice for all seasons because the merino wool inner layer and organic cotton outer layer are designed to keep your baby's temperature regulated so that it's just as comfortable during the winter months as it is during the summer months. We also like that it has 2 snaps at each shoulder so you can slip your baby in and out to put it on, rather than over the head, as well as a zipper at the bottom for easy diaper changes. Finally, this sleep sack has amazing longevity, because it's safe for babies as young as 2 months old up to 2 years. It is one of the most expensive sleep sacks available, but the simple fact that it will fit your child until they are 2 years old means this is the only sleep sack you need to buy. And since it's machine washable, you really can get away with just having one. Why is it special? Shoulder snaps for easy removal. The 2-way zipper makes overnight diaper changes a breeze. Safe from 2 months until 2 years of age. What are the flaws? Expensive. Number 2. Halo Sleep Sack 3-Way Adjustable Baby Swaddle. Babies as little as 6 pounds, and 19 inches long, can safely use this sleep sack, which is designed to work as a swaddle and, later, a transitional sleep sack. It goes over the baby's shoulders and has an inverted zipper down the front to secure it in place. Then, to swaddle your newborn, you just wrap the wings around their arms and secure them with the Velcro tabs. If your child is able to roll, you always want to ensure that they have the use of their arms in any transitional swaddle or sleep sack. DeBear says, if you're using this Halo, that's when you can leave your baby's arms free and simply wrap the wings around their torso instead, still giving them the tight, secure feeling of a swaddle. This sleep sack is made from 100% cotton muslin and is safe for the washer and dryer. Why is it special? User-friendly, budget-friendly. What are the flaws? Not recommended for preemies. Number 3. TillYou Wearable Blanket. During warmer temperatures, consider this breathable sleep sack set made from delicate cotton. Its lighter-weight fabric ensures your baby stays cool and comfortable while snoozing in the summertime heat. Plus it's great for travel naps when the temperature isn't always easy to control. The set includes 2 wearable blankets, letting you keep one at home and the other in a diaper bag for on-the-go use. Choose from sizes ranging from small to X-large and a variety of colors and patterns. Thousands of parents give it a perfect rating because of its 2-way zipper and affordable price. 100% natural premium cotton, ultra soft and cozy hand feel. Perfect for warmer seasons or climates. Breathable and lightweight. TOG 0.5. Perfect baby sleep sack for summer bedtimes. Sleeveless, no risks of overheating. Keeps the baby cool and comfortable in an AC room or restaurant, when traveling or napping. Smooth 2-way zipper, unzips from the top, which makes it easy to place the baby in the sack. Unzips from the bottom, which makes it convenient for diaper changing. With zipper protectors on the back and at the end, protects the baby's jaw and belly from scratches. Large size and colors, measuring 22 by 32 inches, it fits babies between 12 to 18 months. The roomy space allows enough room for kicking but cannot be kicked off, so the baby will stay warm and safe all night long. Ecotex approved, softer and cozier than ordinary cotton. Durable, machine washable and dryable for decades. Satin resistant, easy to wash urine and poop away. The fabric stays new after every Washington. Why is it special? 100% natural cotton. Smooth 2-way zipper. Machine washable. Number 4. Copper Pearl Sleep Bag. 3 layers make up this sleep sack's polyester and rayon blend, making for a comfortable night's rest for your baby. With just enough stretch in the material, the sack allows infants to sleep in any safe position. Babies can begin using this sleep sack safely immediately after birth, which is convenient for parents and caregivers who have trouble swaddling. It has a top-to-bottom zipper to make those middle-of-the-night diaper changes just a little bit easier. Plus, we love the tag-free neckline, so your baby doesn't feel any scratches. Why is it special? Tag-free neck, 3 layers top to bottom zipper. What are the flaws? Zipper is difficult to maneuver, fabric can fade or pill over time. Number 5. Love to Dream Swaddle Up. If your little one sleeps comfortably with their arms up by their face, check out this version thousands of shoppers rave about. The Love to Dream Sleep Sack is basically a hybrid of a sleep sack and a swaddle, covering their arms minus the restriction to their sides. The unique design ultimately helps light sleepers stay asleep because it allows them to self-soothe, whether they like to touch their face or bring their hands to their mouth. It's so safe and effective that one NICU nurse says she wraps her own children in them. Each style is made out of cotton, comes in a handful of color options, and is available in 3 different sizes. Part sleep sack plus part swaddle. This creative hybrid is a great option for babies who may not like the tightness of a traditional swaddle blanket but aren't quite ready for a sleep sack. The Swaddle Up lets your little one sleep with their arms up, a natural position that also gives them access to their hands for self-soothing. It's soft and breathable, easy to use and, it must be said, makes every baby look even cuter than normal while using it. Why is it special? Limited edition rainbow pattern created to celebrate rainbow babies. 1.0 tog fabric.